Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, if you are new and you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, let's see our next movement on Swiss franc JPY. We will go to the forward time frame and we will want to know the trend. And you clearly can see that our Swiss franc JPY is trending to the upside. Now, take a look at this properly. We had this movement, which is our higher high. Here comes the higher low. If you take a look at this is the new higher high that took out this previous high. Here comes the higher low, right? Now, if you take a look at it, there was a little bit of a rejection here before market eventually came back, and now we've gotten this massive movement to the upside, which has now formed a new higher high, taking out this to previous level here. Now, this is a massive movement to the upside. One thing you should be expecting next is a pullback. So basically, this is not the best time to actually hop in for the buy. The higher high have already been made. So one thing you should do is be patient for the pullback. Once the pullback comes in, then go again and go for the higher high. So basically, we will still continue the movement to the upside on Swiss franc JPY. So possibly, let's see if it will give us a pullback, and then can now hop in for the buy again on Swiss franc JPY.